Hi, this is Mercy from Max Reviews, and today we're revealing the Nutribullet rice cooker. This is the best rice cooker I've used so far, and it has so many different options. Like you see right now, it is in action. All you just need is to plug it in, and then you have all those options. You see white rice, start store, brown rice, green range, delay steam. So it has so many different options, and I do like the color because it just does make it like my vibe. And when the rice is done or anything that you're cooking, it usually just beeps and tell you what level you're on or it is down, and then after that you can just put it on keep warm instead of like keep on cooking and all that stuff. So it definitely does beeps and then just tells you keep warm when all food is done. I love this. And to open it, just that simple, and then boom,